Seeing the Mint mobile app stuck on the password screen? It's a common issue often caused by a corrupted app cache. The app cache stores temporary data to help the app run faster, but outdated or conflicting data can prevent successful logins. Other causes include OS compatibility issues, especially on older Android versions before Android 12 and iOS below 16, network instability, or temporary server-side problems at Mint Mobile. Sometimes the issue pops up after an app update or a change to your device. First, try clearing the app cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Mint Mobile, tap Storage, and clear both cache and data. On iOS, offload the app or delete and reinstall it. Force stopping the app and restarting it can also help with temporary glitches. If clearing the cache doesn't work, uninstalling and reinstalling the app completely will give you a fresh start. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and double-check that you're using the latest version of the app. If problems persist, contact Mint Mobile support as it could be a server-side issue. According to expert surveys, clearing the cache has an 80% success rate, so start there.